We're getting loaded up here for some camping, going to Cheat River Island. We're going to meet up with some friends on the way and then fly in. They're expecting maybe, I don't know, I think it was 60 planes last year. They want to get 100, so we'll see what happens. Should be a fun flight. We'll see. So we flew in and set up camp, cooked out, grilled some dogs and burgers, and then hung out, had some beers, and watched a couple more planes fly in. Got to about 25 planes total, and then everybody settled in for the night, had some fireworks, a couple fires going, and then waited for the morning to see the rest of the guys fly in. I didn't really get any footage, so this is just going to be from Saturday's flying. Cheat River Island. Just flew in last night. A lot of people camped out, probably 25 planes camped out last night, and everybody's flying in today for lunch. Got some guys taking off to go hit some local strips. Should be a good day.
Alright, copy that. Clear to take off. Thanks for all the hospitality. It's been fun.
Our pleasure. Thanks for coming out. Hope to see you on October 9th.
I hope to be here.